In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an aesthetic reading tracker Google Sheets spreadsheet tutorial. Start by opening the reading tracker template in Google Sheets. This should load as a copy-ready spreadsheet that is already designed with an aesthetic layout, including color accents and sections that are meant to be customized. Before you change anything, take a moment to look across the sheet so you understand how the tracker is organized and where the main reading log and summary areas are placed. Next, begin working through the highlighted areas on the sheet. Each highlight is there to guide you to the exact spots that need your attention, so click directly on a highlighted cell or highlighted section to activate it. As you click from one highlight to the next, you are essentially moving through the template in the intended order, making sure you do not miss any fields that are meant to be updated. Continue clicking through each highlighted area one by one. When a highlighted cell is selected, you can review what it represents in the tracker layout. In most templates like this, highlights typically indicate places for personal settings, categories, labels, or parts of the design that can be adjusted to match your preferences. Move steadily across the sheet, clicking each highlighted region so you keep your place and stay consistent. As you go, pay attention to how the highlights are spaced out. Some highlights may be close together within the same section, while others may take you to a different part of the spreadsheet. This is normal, since a reading tracker often has multiple parts, like a main list, progress areas, and visual elements. Keep clicking through the highlighted items until you reach the final highlighted area. When you have clicked the last highlighted section, do a quick final scan of the sheet to confirm you have visited every highlighted spot and nothing is left unreviewed. This helps you avoid skipping a key area that affects how the tracker looks or functions. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.